Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft Dynamics 365 customer journeys for sales step by step clearly. To enable Microsoft Dynamics 365 customer journeys for sales, start by logging into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 account. Navigate to the main dashboard. On the left-hand navigation pane, select the Sales module. Once in the Sales module, locate the Settings option at the bottom of the menu. Click on Settings to open the Settings page. In the Settings area, find and select Business Management. Look for the Customer Journey option within the Business Management settings. Make sure to enable the Customer Journey feature if it is not already activated. Once enabled, return to the Sales module homepage. In the top menu bar, click on Marketing. From the drop-down menu, choose Customer Journeys. This will take you to create a new journey, click on the New button. You will be prompted to name your customer journey. Enter a descriptive name for the journey and select the appropriate audience segment. Define the campaign goals and objectives for this journey. Next, drag and drop the various stages of the customer journey from the toolbox on the right. Customize each stage with relevant touchpoints, like emails, social media, or events. Set specific triggers that will move customers from one stage to the next. Review the flow of your customer journey for any adjustments needed. Once satisfied with the configuration, click the Save button. You may now activate the journey by clicking on the Activate option. Confirm the activation when prompted. Your customer journey is now live and ready to engage with your audience. Return to the Customer Journeys Overview page to monitor your journey's performance. Check analytics and reports periodically to evaluate engagement and effectiveness. Make adjustments as necessary based on the insights gathered from the analytics. Continue refining your customer journeys to enhance the sales process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.